that. See this. You want to know the Jan data, so you can check the data and everything here also. So that's good. Here I have a dashboard along with the data too. So if you wanted to create this kind of dashboard, so let's just start preparation on this. So before going to start this, so request you to please watch my last video that how to create the bookmark. So for this, let's add the tab, and after that, first go to the page background, select the background here, and remove the transparency 0% so that view can be changed. Then after I have already added that. So if you want to know that how to add these options, all go to the insert, and there's an option called shape. You can add the shape, and if you want to know, you can watch my video. I will provide the link in below in description that how can add that. That let's copy this one and this one both. Now see this. Okay, let's next talk about how to create the tax query here. So I wanted to create the cumulative. So cumulative, add the measure here. So for measure, I click that. Oh, something wrong in it here. I wanted to add measure here. So new measure, and then add the cumulative cells is equal to the font size little bit. So hope you're able to see that. Now next is that go to calculate. Then I wanted to sum up cells sheet 1. Then I wanted to give the filter. Select all. I want that all filter to be removed from the all label. So for this, select the sheet 1 so that it all filter. Then give the expression that I want date less than equal to max. Select again date. This column. Close the bracket. Is my cumulative cells. And then next, let me show you here that how value is coming. For this, select cumulative cells. This one I created that. Say this. It's coming this way. Now, if I use as a dashboard, so for this, let's remove cumulative line and add here. It's coming straight line. Why? Because I'm using the different. Say this. Oh, I use the financial tab, that the reason. So it's not coming. So let's remove that. Cells I'm going to remove from the finance, and month number I want to use the sheet 1. So for this, month name, and after that use the cells and add the cumulative line. So see this, there is no sequence here. Generally do not have a sequence. So let use ascending by month number. April, August, December still doesn't come as intended. So for this, go to the data, and after that select sheet 1 data set, and here I have a month name. So select month number, and there is an option called sorted by column month name. So here a month number, and select the month name, and here a month number. So select the month number, and it built shorts here. Sorted successfully. See this: January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December, and now it's coming as intended. See this. We have a cumulative line, we have summary and everything. Data part, also you can do that by selecting the column. See this, already did it. And now next part, I wanted to add the refresh. So for this we need to add the refresh option in sheet 1. So for this, already added that. So let's remove it and add that. So click here. Best way I can show you that how to do that. There is an option called data date time zone UTC now. There is a function in Power BI. You can use it directly. It appear like this, and after that you can format it. So this one I'm going to format as a date and time, so that time zone can be removed. If you wanted to keep it, yes you can. And then sorry, I didn't select that. So time zone has been removed and a date and time is coming. Close and apply. Close and apply. And after that, you can create the first text box. It's running. So allow me to, not more than 10. And after that, here I will add the text box here. Copy it and paste here. If you don't know how to add the text box, there is option called insert text box and give the value sales dashboard and select that and increase the font and adjust the size of the how to move because I already did it. Then after here, so here same here at the last refresh date and format it and format as per your required place. See this, and now add that, and for last date add the card. So card after the last refresh date, select that. Just select here. Coming this way, but I wanted to format it. I don't want to see the category. Remove the category. Come to the data label. Change the size to 10 inside and format it. Now see this font is smaller. You can adjust it, and after that you can paste here. Smaller. And I don't want to be coming like this in a sequence. Now it's coming last refresh date 2, and this way you can fix it. Let's talk about the slicer part. So slicer, I already created a video that how to create the slicer. Just copy and paste here. Copy and paste. If you wanted to synchronize, yes you can. I want to synchronize it so that I can filter here. So this page can also filter too. So I synchronize that. Then after add the button. So if you synchronize that, there is no filter required. You can watch my video how to create a bookmark, and here I've added the button. If you can clear here, it will clear across the tab too. See. If I select here, then also filter there last tab as well. See this. If I clear here, it will clear the everywhere. So this way you can handle that. And now see this, you can prepare dashboard like this. If you have any questions, so please paste your comment in uh, below in the video. And if you like this video, please hit on subscribe button.